So this is 2017, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
2017. Past question for Delta State, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So JS3 past question. JS3
past questions.
past questions. For Delta State. And we're doing mathematics, we're solving the maths, okay? So okay, number one, read for us.
A percentage.
So how do you change to percentage? You multiply by
100.
to change anything to percentage, you multiply by 100. To change anything to percentage, you multiply by 100. So 0.9 times 100 gives us what?
19%.
Option
E.
Okay. Number two, please.
Express 30 over decimal.
We'll just move our points. How many places?
1, 2.
We'll move 2 places because 100 has 2 zeros, right? So move.
1, 2.
So what's the answer?
20.
Number 3.
The value of
Read for me, please. Now listen up. Don't fall for the trap, Ephraim. Pick yourself. Pick yourself. You are looking at me. Sit there. Shift for him. See where I pointed. See where I pointed. Ah, see where I pointed. Now don't fall for the trap to say square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 9 is 3. The reason is because you cannot find the square root until you add. You can't find the square root until you do this addition. If the question had said square root of 1 over 16 plus square root of 1 over 9, then you say square root of 1 over 16 is 1 over 4. Then square root of 1 over 9 is 1 over
3.
Then you can now add. But in this case, don't look for the square root first, but rather add first. Igbono. So let's do 1 over 16 plus 1 over 9. Let's get the addition. Do you have an LCM? Do you have an LCM, please?
44.
Okay, our LCM is 144. 16 into 144.
9.
9 times 1.
9.
9 into 144.
16.
16 times 1.
16.
19 plus 16.
25. 144.
So you must first add before you now say this is equivalent to square root of 25 over 144. Square root of 25. Option number 4. Camera guys, please position well. Number 4, please. Okay, if you look at this number line, it's on 2, right? Yes. It's pointing in this direction, which is the less than direction, and it's shaded, right? So that'll be equal to. So it is S less than or equal to what? Number 5.
Inequality. 5 minus 2x.
Everybody reads.
Solve the inequality. 5 minus 2x.
Focus. Did you hear what I said? Focus. So that gives us what, please? That gives us what?
Minus.
You take 5 over, it becomes minus 2s is what?
Less than 3 minus 5.
Taking 5 over, it becomes minus 5, right?
Yes.
So that gives us what?
2x less than minus 2.
You divide both sides by what? When you divide an inequality by minus, the sign must change. So if you divide both sides by minus 2, this will be minus 2s over minus 2. The sign will change from less than to what? Greater than minus 2 over minus 2. Minus 2 cancels minus 2. S is now greater than what? S is greater than 1. You see that? Number 6. What's that figure called, please? It's bar chart because you can see it's in bars. Can you see it? It's in bars. Okay. For histogram, the bars will be joined together, isn't it? Yes. Number 7.
Evaluate 65 minus 56 close bracket all squared over 3 squared.
So let's look for this first. What is 65 minus 56? What's that? 9. So that gives us 9 square over what?
3 square.
What's 9 square? 3 square is 9. So that gives us. If you are not solving along, you're wrong. If you are not solving along, you are wrong.
Plus A over 10.
LCM is what?
10.
5 into 10. 2 times 2A. 10 into 10. 1 times A. 5 here.
5 here 2. A over 2.
What? Go. Wait, please, wait. Lawrence. Number 11, please.
Minus 3. Open bracket minus 6 times open bracket minus 7.
Minus times minus. Plus times minus.
Minus.
So have a negative answer, right?
Yes,
3 times 6. 3 times 6. 18 times 7. Let's multiply.
126.
So that's minus
126.
number 10, please.
Yes, 2p is equal to 7.
Carry 15 over.
P equals to 7 minus 15. Minus 2p equals to minus 8.
Divide both sides by. If you are not talking, you are wrong. If you are not talking, you are wrong. So divide both sides by minus 2. Minus 2p is equal to minus 8.
Minus 2 cancels minus 2. P is equal to 4.
Because minus cancels minus 8 over 2 is 4. Are we there? Shift a little, shift a little. Shift. Participate, Lawrence. Number what? Read for me.
Those of the quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. The largest angle.
So how can we find the largest angle? 4 over the total. So 4 over the total. Let's add this plus this. 3 plus this. 6 plus 4. 4 over 10.
Times 360.
Y times 360 is a quadrilateral. The sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral is 360, right?
Yes, sir.
Times 360. Which is what? 4 times 6, please. 4 times 6. 4 times 3. 4 times 3, please. 12.